In college, I used to make my own hair scrunchies, and like everything in fashion, scrunchies are back in style. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own scrunchies. So let's get started. You'll need cotton fabric. I like to use quilting material, elastic, and a sewing machine. First, cut your fabric 40 inches long and 4 inches wide. You can make a fuller scrunchie the wider you make the fabric, or a thinner one the less wide you go. Measure your elastic about 12 inches or smaller depending on how tight you want your scrunchie to be. First, turn the raw edges of the ends in and sew in place. Next, with the right sides of fabric together, sew the long side of the fabric and turn it right side out. With the safety pin connected to the elastic, thread it through the tube of fabric, making sure one end stays outside the outer edge and the other end makes it through the other side. And sew the two ends of elastic together. Now, sew the opening edges closed with the top seam. Don't forget to trim your elastic. And there you have it, a flashback scrunchie for an updated look.